I hope you enjoy this free hypnosis session. If you would like this track on your mobile device, simply go to freehypnosis.app, download the free hypnosis app with myself, Joseph Clough, and that means you can have it and you can use it as you go to sleep. You can download it, you can stream it, so much easier. So go to freehypnosis.app and download it right now. So go ahead and get yourself in a nice, comfortable position as we go on this journey of change. Close your eyes and relax. As we go into trance, you will take on all that I say to keep you healthy, safe in achieving your goals and desires. Because with your eyes closed, you can become aware of many, many things. Thoughts, sensations, and the gradual alteration of awareness that allows you to relax easily and effortlessly. Where soon, even the effort it takes to be aware of how your hands, your arms, even your fingers will be too much effort to even think about. It's easier to just relax and to let go. To relax as you learn and learn as you relax, going deeper and deeper into trance. Your muscles will soften and relax now, because as I count down from 10 to 0, with each count, you'll go deeper and deeper, more and more relaxed, down from 10, down to 9, because you can go deeper into a state of effortless relaxation, where you can take on those suggestions I say that give you the inner resources to make profound changes, all the way down to 9, down to 8. Just relax. More and more, easier and easier. Now is the time to make these changes easily and effortlessly as you go deeper and deeper into trance, relaxing and learning, down to 7. Your legs relax deeply. That comfort increases around your mind and body. You may drift and dream, or you may just listen as you go deeper into trance, more completely and more easily. That's right. Just relaxing as your unconscious mind assumes responsibility in creating change, creating the changes that you desire so easily that you are surprised by how powerful the results will be. Deeper down from 6, down to 5, going deeper and deeper with each and every breath out. That relaxation that comfort begins to grow. The relaxation begins to expand, softening each muscle to complete relaxation, taking your own time in your own way as you let go more effortlessly and easily. Because you have your conscious mind listening, drifting, even dreaming, and your unconscious mind. You, the unconscious mind, will continue to listen, to understand, and to make changes. And you can consciously just relax and enjoy the process more and more. Effortless relaxation. Just becoming more comfortable all the way down to 4. Learning to let go now as you go deeper and deeper. My voice goes with you as you relax now, more and more. Just relax deeper down into trance, down to 3, and relax. Allowing your mind and body to feel comfort, to feel relaxed, and to go deeper still. That's right. Becoming aware of that effortless comfort, relaxation, going down into trance as your unconscious mind takes on those suggestions, whilst always being safe and secure, down to 2, and relax. More and more, deeper and deeper, all the way down to 1, all the way through 0. As you sleep now in trance, your unconscious mind can take on all the things I say to make this change and achieve your desires right now. Speaking to you, the unconscious mind. From now on, you are going to resolve all trust issues. Beneath the surface, you, the unconscious mind, will resolve this trust issue by preserving learnings. All you'll need to be untrustworthy and insecure will simply disappear. Not having trust does not help you feel good and safe. Although trying to, you, the unconscious mind, will instead develop this new strategy. You find the inner peace and inner confidence. You realize how worthy and how good enough you are. You place trust to those who deserve it. You are still safe and secure, but you are free of self-doubt, worry and anxiety. You are free. You are confident. all trust issues, all the inappropriate trust issues will now disappear. You, the unconscious mind, will resolve this, preserving learnings from the past, realizing the decision made in the past is now no longer warranted. Instead, you find the learnings that protect you. That keeps you safe. You find yourself with each and every day trusting yourself more, trusting others. You are still aware of what happens. You have the clarity, but you have the real clarity to know the difference. You dissolve the illusions, being free of anxiety, free of worry, free of self-doubt. You are confident, you are secure. See yourself becoming more trustworthy, being so secure and strong. You are safe, you are secure. You find the solutions deeply and unconsciously, getting the clarity. You are safe, confident, and secure. You develop healthy trust. You break away from the illusions, and you see the truth of who you can trust with ease. You let go of all the inappropriate stress, doubts and worries, and create this new bond, so healthy, so strong. You have trust, you thrive, you are confident and at peace, content with who you are, full of self-worth, for you are worthy and good enough. You dissolve this trust issue. It disappears now. It's no longer needed. All you'll need to have this inappropriate trust issue will now disappear. You are free. You are confident. You are strong. Self-assured. You create this change from now on. Each and every day, you get better, secure, confident and competent, making the right judgments with ease and comfort. And in a moment, I'm going to count from 1 to 5, and on 5, you'll be out of trance, ready to take on the rest of the day. So 1, every muscle gets less and less relaxed. 2, every fiber and every nerve becomes more and more alert in every way. At 3, imagine a nice cool cold shower, refreshing your head, your eyes, around the eyes, really refreshing yourself. At 4, have a nice bit of fresh air through your nose, just oxygenating in every way. And at 5, come all the way back into the room, knowing that your unconscious mind is making this change beneath the surface. Now is your time to totally thrive in that emotional freedom that you desire and that you deserve. So welcome back. I hope you enjoyed that session. As I said, it is a temporary release. If you want the total and final solution, then go to josephclough.info/go so you don't have to keep wasting time and energy and listening to this all the time. It's the only thing I can give you right now, but if you really want to make this complete change,
go to josephclough.info/go and we can finally let it go. Don't ever give in to pain anymore. Do not spend any more time on your issue or working yourself. Just get the solution you need. It is totally unique right now. It's totally free. It's an opportunity, and it's just josephclough.info/go. And once again, go ahead and write a review on the app. Go ahead and share this. It is all there for you and to serve you in any way I possibly can. So josephclough.info/go. Speak to you soon. Bye-bye.